And the Lord gave me this revelation. It wasn't even personal. Those attacks, it was like a ripple effect. Listen to what I'm saying to you carefully. The Lord literally, I'm planning to go live, which I'm going to go live in a minute. And then the Lord said, it wasn't even personal. And while he's saying that, he's reminding me, it's like I'm seeing flashes of people, visions of people that came against me, and I couldn't understand why. And then the Lord said, it wasn't even personal, it was a ripple effect. And this is how it goes. One person or one handful of people who were in an occultic group, listen to me, this is blatantly from the seventh dimension. This is from the throne room. Hallelujah. Fresh download. No. It's 10:49 on the clock on the 30th of April 2026. It wasn't even personal, thus said the Lord. It was a ripple effect, which explains this question: why are so many people coming against me? It was a ripple effect. And the Lord said, this is how it works. Somebody from a certain network, a certain society, a certain brotherhood, could be one individual, or it could be a handful of 5, 10, 4, 3, 2 people. They were in a covenant with that brotherhood. One order covenant. So one order covenant. Which means everybody in that society, that secret society, cannot violate certain laws because it has a ripple effect on everybody. So they build businesses, they make wealth, they make fame, they go viral under these demonic rituals and laws. That one person or that one group of people from that sorority, that secret society, rose against a chosen one and put everybody there at risk. And as I'm saying that, I'm seeing runners, athletes who were in this brotherhood. They made money, they build clubs, they build restaurants. Their restaurants are on fire. Not because they wanted to come against you, but somebody from their fraternity came against you. Artists crashed, people died because somebody came against you, and that is why they didn't want to fight you. But they were desperate, my God, to not be completely destroyed. So they were trying now to correct what somebody did. They were, my God, somebody came for your star and they shouldn't have never touched you. And everybody who understands the laws of power, including the wicked secret society people, those who know the evil that they're doing, they know the power of law. The law of power rather. And they know you don't trouble a chosen one. And the reason why they were coming against you how they were is because the moment somebody rose against you, everything started to collapse. But here's the thing, the ones who rose against you, here's where it gets serious now. The Lord is revealing this. The ones who rose against you lied to not get in trouble, to not pay with their lives or their loved ones, to not be kicked out, to not lose their wealth. They said, she's lying on us. We don't know her. We don't know him. So now the people who believe them came for you with all they got. How dare you? But they didn't know it was all a lie. But here's how they're knowing now. Everything that they've been doing, they're graying. I'm seeing them with gray hairs in the spirit. I'm seeing elders in the spirit just observing and observing. Then their end result is like, they are concluding, they're realizing they lied. The people that rose against you are going down. Whether you want them to go down or not, God is taking them down. The devil is taking them down. The society is taking them down. They are being kicked out. They are being banished. They are losing their wealth because the rest of them can't afford to lose their legacy, because they rose and troubled somebody who they should have never troubled. And that person, world changer, is the chosen one. chosen one delivered is you. They should have never